Etsy versus Shopify, which online store e-commerce platform is best for your business? Well, today I'm going to dive in, break down and compare both these platforms and help you decide which of these options is best for you when it comes to selling online. Okay, so just quickly, before we go ahead and dive into Shopify and Etsy, consider subscribing if you haven't done so already or if you're new to this channel, and that way you'll stay updated with actionable videos and tutorials designed to equip you with the skills, knowledge and tools to help your small business thrive online. And with that happy note out the way, let's go ahead and dive into both these platforms and find out the best option for your business. Alright, so you've heard of both Shopify and Etsy before, but you're not too sure which platform is right for your e-commerce requirements. Well, let me help create some clarity for you. If we take a step back and look at the positioning of Shopify and Etsy, Shopify on one hand is a standalone online store builder for anyone looking to create a solid e-commerce website for listing and selling products online. Established in 2006, Shopify has become one of the largest e-commerce platforms in the world with millions of sellers from over 170 countries. Etsy, on the other hand, is a global marketplace for consumers and producers to come together and buy and sell unique and handcrafted items. However, this has expanded into every type of category that you can think of. Etsy launched in 2005 and has over 95 million active buyers and 7.3 million sellers. You can see both Shopify and Etsy are juggernauts in the e-commerce space globally. Okay, let's discuss key differences between these two platforms. Shopify allows you to create a fully functional online store with their no-code platform. Once you have your online store built, simply add products, apps, and channels, then you can start driving traffic to your store through paid or organic marketing activities. Etsy is similar in that you can set up a shop where you can list your items inside Etsy. This storefront is very limited in terms of the design and customization control compared with Shopify's store builder. However, your Etsy store benefits by having access to a giant marketplace of millions of buyers. Yes, you can drive your own paid and organic traffic to your Etsy store, but Etsy does a great job of putting your products in front of the right audience inside their marketplace. You can actually passively drive sales without putting much effort into Etsy. Once you've set up your storefront and listed your products, everything else is taken care of for you when it comes to reaching the right audience and driving sales. As I mentioned before, Shopify is a complete e-commerce solution for all types and sizes of businesses. Another major difference is the extensive apps that Shopify users have access to. With over 8,000 apps, you can further customize, add features, tools, and channels to your store, like email marketing features, automating invoices, connecting Google Analytics, integrating other sales channels like Facebook and TikTok, and much more. Etsy is much more limited when it comes to integrating with other external providers. However, they still offer key integrations like accounting, inventory, and marketing app integrations. Shopify also has an Etsy app that allows you to seamlessly connect and sync your Shopify products to the Etsy marketplace. In terms of marketing, Etsy allows you to get discovered organically by optimizing your listing using the right keywords, tags, and categories. They also have Etsy ads built in, meaning that you can engage in paid advertising. All you have to do is choose your daily account limit, spend limit, and Etsy will attempt to deliver you a positive ROI. Shopify does not have an exclusive marketplace like Etsy does, so when it comes to marketing, you'll need to optimize your sales SEO, search engine optimization, to help you get discovered on search engines like Google. You can also connect to channels, as I mentioned earlier, to reach more customers across different channels like Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, Amazon, and more. In terms of paid advertising across different platforms, you'll need to engage in these by yourself. Shopify does not offer a built-in ad platform similar to Etsy. If we jump over to pricing, most individuals or business owners will get away with Shopify's basic plan. All these monthly subscriptions increase depending on how many paid apps that you have integrated with your online store. You're also subjected to small transaction fees per sale. Etsy is free to set up, however there is a listing fee of 20 cents USD for each item that you list for sale, or when you renew a listing. The listing cycle will last 4 months. Also, if you make a sale through Etsy.com, the marketplace, you will be charged a transaction fee of 6.5%. Okay, so between Shopify and Etsy, which platform is more appropriate for you? Well, if you're building a brand long term, then it's vital to have your own online store set up. Also, if you're looking to scale and drive sales and revenue growth, then Shopify will be more appropriate, affordable, and scalable long term. Etsy, on the other hand, is more of a sales channel that a small business can leverage. If you're creating your own products and you have a limit on production and scalability, then Etsy will be your best bet. Many startups and side businesses leverage Etsy and then transition over to a standalone website or storefront like Shopify when they see the viability for scale and revenue with that existing business. Although you do not have to limit yourself, you can also use and connect both platforms together. Why not build a strong online brand and presence with a Shopify store at the center and connect Etsy as a channel and access to the millions of active shoppers inside the Etsy marketplace. That way you can have the best of both worlds. This is actually what we do with one of our popular brands called Go Digital Now. And there we have it, guys. That is it for this Etsy versus Shopify comparison guide. Now, if you have any questions about each of these platforms, make sure to pop them down below. And with that said, thank you so much for watching this video all the way through to the end. If you got value, make sure you leave a like and subscribe. And that way I'll see you in the next video. Take care, everyone.